Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the free virtual internship opportunity provided by the BCG, that is the Boston Consulting Group. And friend, you can see here, you will get this type of certificate also. And anyone can enroll in this free internship program, whether you are the working professional or the going students or you want to increase your knowledge regarding the generative AI. So all can apply for this virtual internship. So friend, before going to start the video, let's first discuss about the Boston Consulting Group. So friend, you can see here, Boston Consulting Group is a American global management consulting firm, and it was founded in 1963, and it has a headquartered in Boston. And friend, you can see here the virtual internship is provided by the Forage. You can see here we are at the official page of there, and you can see friend, you can develop a chatbot to assist with financial inquiries with the generative AI team at BCG. And you can see already 1,900 plus learners has been already completed this program. And you can see here you will increase your knowledge regarding the Excel, Python, then Jupyter, then you can see data extraction, financial analysis, then NLP, chatbot development, and logic. So this type of skills you will learn here. And friend, you can see here this is the self-paced program which consists of total 3 to 4 hours. And you can see here regarding the program is given. So you can see uh, Boston Consulting Group is a global consulting firm that partners with the leaders in business and society to tackle their most important challenges and capture their greatest opportunity. And you can see their success depend on a spirit of collaboration and a global community of diverse individuals which determine to improve the world and each other daily. And friend, you can see here this program will be a great resource for you to upskill and strengthen your resume as you explore career option and at a potential career at BCG. And after finishing each module, friend, you will be provided with the real work sample answers from the BCG leaders, and you can see how top tier consultants and designers would have tackled each task so that you can learn from their approach. And you can see here how it works all this process. Like first you have to complete the task guided by the pre-recorded videos and examples answers from their BCG team. And you can see there will be no live session, all are self-paced, so whenever you will get the time you can complete it, and you will get the certificate and you can add it in your resume and LinkedIn as an extracurricular activity. And you can see here the various tasks are given here which you have to complete for getting the certificate. So first you can see the intro and scenarios given. So you can see here you will be here acting as the junior data scientist at the Boston Consulting Group and part of the GenAI consulting firm. So your role will be there. And you can see the task one is given, that is a data extraction and initial analysis. So you have to use the techniques for extracting key financial data from the 10K documents, then understanding financial statement, then preparing a processing data for AI driven applications. Then you can see in the task 2 given, like you can see you have to use the principle of AI chatbot development focusing on NLP, that is the natural language processing. Then you have to use the different techniques for integrating financial data with chatbot functionalities. And you can see also communicate the complex financial insights through an interactive AI platform. So these are the tasks you have to perform here. And once you do on the task, friend, then you have to submit it, and after that you will get this type of certificate. And on the top left side you can see the logo of the BCG is given, and your name will be given on the certificate, and what types of things you have learned in this program you will be also given on the you can see certificate. So these are the certificate you will get. And friend, before going to check how you have to do the registration, if you are not subscribed our channel InfoRosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship and technology related videos, so please subscribe InfoRosan. So let's check how you have to do the registration process. So I have given the link in the video description box. So you have to open it, and once you open, then you will come to this page, and you can see here start free program is given. You have to simply click on that, and once you click, then this type of page will appear. So you can enter your email address here, and you will click on this continue, and then you have to complete the entire application process. And friend, if you have already your account on the forest, then you can click on this directly login. You have to enter your email address and password, and you have to directly log in, and the course will add in your profile from where you can complete it and get the certificates. And friend, if you have any question, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And please subscribe Inforosan. Thank you.